Yes, so what are the key benefits a wholesale CBDC can bring to the financial industry? I believe we need to differentiate between two different scenarios. So the one is between the different types or forms of tokenized money, and the second one is then the way of how digital assets are being settled. But let me start with the first one, so the form of digital assets, or tokenized money. So we need to differentiate between a wholesale CBDC, stable coins, and also cryptocurrencies. And one angle within this differentiating factor is regulation. A CBDC is clearly acting in a regulated environment, so it provides a clear framework from an operational perspective and also from a legal perspective. Whereas stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, they often are not imposed in a regulated environment, and they often lack clarity, and from that perspective bring additional risks to the holder of such tokenized money. Then the second dimension is the legal certainty. So a wholesale CBDC has clearly defined legal nature, and therefore brings legal protection to the holder of a wholesale CBDC. Whereas with stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, the legal definition, the legal nature is also often not 100% clear, and it also can vary by jurisdiction to jurisdiction. And the last dimension is the liability dimension. So I think I need a little bit more explanation there. A holder of a tokenized money is facing a claim against the issuer of that tokenized money. And in the context of wholesale CBDC, I do have a claim, as a holder, I have a claim against the central bank. And from that perspective, it is clearly seen as the safest form of money, and in the financial industry space, a wholesale CBDC can enable riskless settlement and eliminates liquidity risks in settlement. So that was the first dimension, and the dimension is the way of how digital assets are being settled. So comparing an on-chain settlement asset like wholesale CBDC with something which might be off-chain, so interfacing with traditional payment systems. And it clearly shows that having an on-chain settlement asset, which is on the same technological and legal infrastructure as the other assets, so the tokenized securities, brings benefits in the settlement, because it allows for more efficient and safer settlement. And also it provides the foundation for composability and also programmability of different types of tokens on that platform.